Hello viewers, 4 DIYers here with another tutorial video for everyone. In this particular video here, we'll be doing a demonstration on how to replace the Serpentine belt on a Ford Ranger equipped with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. This is a 1998 model. This procedure can also be used on the same generation of Mazda B series trucks. Worn or older Serpentine belts can be cracked or checked due to their age, even leading to a break, or they can be stretched, typically causing a squeak or squeal sound, especially in damp weather. This can cause certain components to also slip, such as a alternator or power steering pump, and you will notice a shiny finish on the belt's surface. This is called glazing. It's important to do the replacement when the engine is cold, as you will be working around warmer or hot components. Usually it's best to either draw a diagram or source out a diagram on the vehicle. As you can see, there is a sticker still on the radiator support showing the route of the old belt. Using only a 3/8 drive ratchet, there will be a square hole where the ratchet clips into place on the tensioner. One belt drives all the accessories on this truck. Rotate the tensioner counterclockwise to relieve the tension on the belt. There should be an arrow on the tensioner showing which direction the tension is removed on the belt. The easiest way to remove the belt is by removing it off a smooth pulley first. If you are removing the belt off a grooved pulley, you'll have to pull back the tensioner further, which can sometimes be a bit harder. Once that belt is off the one pulley, allow the tensioner to retract, then remove the belt off the remaining pulleys. Pull the belt up, and then feed it around the mechanical fan. You can use the assistance of the blades while rotating it to help it out. Once that belt has been removed, it will be stretched. However, you should size it up with the new replacement to ensure it is somewhat of the same size. Stick the belts between your thumbs and stretch them out. To insert the new belt, first it must be routed around the mechanical fan. Push it past some of the blades, then rotate the mechanical fan by hand to feed it around. Before putting the belt into place, it's important to check the idler pulley, tensioner pulley, and water pump for any play, noise, or movement issues in the bearings. Being that a new belt will be installed, there will be more tension, and this can cause already worn bearings to fail much quicker. When a pulley fails, this can risk causing more damage, so a worn bearing in a pulley or water pump should be addressed immediately. I do have a video that goes into depth with faulty water pumps and pulleys, so be sure to check that out. Install the belt into place, first starting with the ridged pulleys. Leaving the smooth pulley to the end requires less movement of the tensioner, so you don't have to pull it back as far. Once it's somewhat in place, pull the tensioner back with the ratchet and then slide it over the idler pulley. When it's finally into place, take a close inspection to ensure the belt is properly seated. If it's not fully seated on the pulleys, don't start the engine. Pull the tensioner back and then reposition the belt as needed. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to follow my social media pages such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to keep up to date with my latest projects. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.